Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the headphone jack on a Samsung Galaxy A12 phone. For this, we need a small round brush, about 2 or 3 centimeters long. In addition, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol, either in a diffuser or a container. And first we simply need to turn off the phone. It must be completely turned off. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. Thoroughly soak the brush so that it is wet. If you don't have a diffuser, you can simply pour the alcohol into a small container and just dip the brush in that container. First, carefully take the mobile phone in your hand. Next, insert the cleaning brush as far as it will possibly go into the jack port, and then slowly twist it to the right exactly 5 times. After that, proceed to twist it to the left another 5 times, before you finally remove the brush from the port. Repeat this process about 5 times and your jack port will be clean. Each time take out the brush and insert it again, so that if there's any dirt or anything, it will simply come out together with the brush and the jack port will be very well cleaned. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 5 or 10 minutes. Well, 10, maybe even 15 minutes, so that the alcohol can evaporate from the jack port, and then you can turn the phone on and use it normally without any further issues. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.